In this video, we're revealing the top 20 traffic signs that most drivers consistently get wrong. Let's get started. Divided highway begins. This indicates a highway ahead is divided by a median or divider. Keep to the right. Divided highway ends. The highway ahead no longer has a median or divider. Keep right. Merging road warns that traffic may join your lane from the right. Merging vehicles must yield to you. Narrow bridge warns of limited road width ahead. Slow down and proceed with caution. Pedestrian crossing. Watch for people entering a crosswalk or crossing your path. Slow down and be ready to stop. What does this road sign mean? Divided highway begins. What does this sign tell drivers? Pedestrian crossing. What does this road sign signify? Merging traffic. What does this road sign indicate? Divided highway ends. And this? Narrow bridge ahead. Railway crossing ahead. You are approaching a railroad crossing. These signs alert you to check for trains or vehicles on the tracks. Slow down, listen, and be ready to stop. Right lane ends. This sign indicates that the right lane will end soon. If you're in the ending lane, prepare to merge into another lane. School zone indicates a school area ahead. Watch for children and be prepared to stop. School crossing warns of children crossing the road near a school. Watch for children in crosswalk and be prepared to stop. Sharp right turn. The road ahead turns sharply to the right. Slow down and drive carefully. What does this road sign mean? School zone. What does this sign tell drivers? Right lane ends. What does this road sign signify? Sharp right turn ahead. What does this road sign indicate? School crossing. And this? Railroad crossing ahead. Side road at angle. This sign warns of a road intersects at an angle ahead. Slow down and be prepared to yield or adjust your path. Side road left indicates a road joining from the left side. Slow down and proceed cautiously. Slippery when wet. Warns that the road may be slippery when wet. Do not brake hard or change direction suddenly. Reduce speed and drive carefully. Stop. You must come to a complete stop at the sign, stop line. Wait for any vehicle or pedestrian to clear the way. Y intersection. The road splits ahead. You must turn left or right. Crossroad. An intersection is ahead. Watch for vehicles joining your road. Traffic signal ahead. Traffic signals are ahead. Slow down and be ready to stop. What does this road sign mean? Side road enters at angle. What does this sign tell drivers? Crossroad ahead. What does this road sign signify? Slippery when wet. What does this road sign indicate? Traffic signal ahead. And this? Y intersection ahead. What does this road sign mean? Stop. Side road enters from left. Well done for making it to the end of the quiz. How many road signs did you get right? If you got more than 15, you're definitely ahead of most drivers. If not, no worries. Now you know what to watch for on the road. Keep learning, keep challenging yourself, and keep having fun with us. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a new quiz. Never miss a new